been the secretary of this small rural club now for 36 years, 4 of them as assistant and 32 of them as secretary. My role is varied in the small club. I do the registration, I do the injury claims, I do the team sheets. I generally tell people probably what to do. You know, I'm thinking of doing membership. You used to have to handwrite for 200 or 300 members. Now you click on a button. You don't even do it anymore. Most people do it for themselves. Yes, things have changed, but you know, maybe it's taking the personal out of it. Like, I still have people in their 70s and 80s who come to me and hand me their membership money, which I put in my pocket to take to somebody else because they won't use the digital. You know, and they're as important as the person who's IT literate. My husband is steeped in the GAA. I probably went to the GAA when I was a teenager because there was no girls' football in the sense to look at the boys, probably, as my mother would say. And then it progressed from there, and interesting, it's a great game. In this community, it's the mainstay. There is nothing else. Births, deaths and marriages, you know, it's all centred around the football club. In good times, and we have great celebrations like the gala. I felt that, well, considering the previous 2 years, like when we started planning, there was no word of COVID. 3 months later, there it was, and we thought, oh my God, what are we going to do, like, in 2 years' time? But we decided we'd hold tight and see how it went. And at the end of the day, at the end of the 2 years, it was great just to get everybody. I think it was such a sense of relief to get everybody through. Like, we had run, you know, food parcels, we had provided things during lockdown, we had walk-in sessions, we had everything that we were legally allowed to have, and you know, we had provided even, I'm going to say, a meeting place in a sense, not with social distance, to give people, because there are a lot of older people in our community that are on their own. We had phoned people, you know, all of that type of thing. So therefore, to take it to the final conclusion in November was excellent. And it was great to see people, as I said, from New York and from Canada and everywhere, just to see them again. It was marvellous just to bring everybody together. It's all just about the family, the club, the community. You know, it's not an accident probably that the church, the club and the community are all in the one area, and that's what it actually means to me.
The first winner of a President's Award tonight is Margaret Keenan.